Divi 5's preset-based design system is the best in the business, and it's much more powerful than the class-based design systems of other builders because presets encapsulate much more than just CSS. They are like stackable, nestable, global components. Additionally, Divi has the unique concept of option presets, which allows you to encapsulate the logic and style of smaller parts of an element, like a specific animation or a specific border style. These option presets can then be nested inside of element presets, kind of like importing a mixin in a CSS preprocessor, and they can be mixed and matched and stacked, just like the classes of a CSS framework like Tailwind. So they are incredibly versatile. And today, we made the option preset system even more powerful by allowing you to apply option presets to nested option groups and to nest option presets inside other option presets. So let me show you how it works. So I am working on a website and I want the design of my entire website to be both cohesive and easy to manage. And right now I'm working on my shared border style, and you can see that this CTA module has a rounded border, and that rounded border is coming from this rounded border preset, which applies a rounded number variable to the border radius. If I want to use this same style on other modules, then I can just apply that border preset, and you can see the border radius is being applied. And if I ever want to change that border style, I can just update the preset instead of having to update all those modules. Many of Divi's modules contain sub-elements, and those sub-elements have nested options. For example, this blurb module has an image inside of it, and that image has a bunch of nested option groups that you can use to customize its design. Previously, these nested option groups did not support presets, but now they do. That's what today's feature update is all about. And that means I can use my border preset on this module sub-element and its nested option group. So I will select the rounded preset, and you can see that the border gets added to the image, and that works for all module sub-elements now. So I can, for example, apply that same rounded preset to this button, and I could also apply it to these form fields. But here is what makes Divi's option preset system even cooler, because I don't have to go throughout my website and apply that rounded preset to all of my buttons, for example. Instead, I can edit my button preset and apply the rounded border preset inside of it. So if we go back to this module, you can see that the button element is using my solid button preset. And instead of applying this rounded preset on top, I can modify this preset and then inside of it, nest the rounded border preset and save. And what you'll see is that this button updated and this button updated because they're both using the same solid button preset. Additionally, option presets can be nested inside of element presets to create a really beautiful design system that is so easy to manage because it contains so few individual components. For example, if I like this call to action style, I can turn this into an element preset with the button and rounded border presets nested inside of it. So I will choose new preset from current styles. I'll just call it brown. And what you'll notice is that it's pulled in the button preset and the rounded border preset. And when I save this, those presets are getting nested inside. So if I add a new call to action module, for example, and I apply that brown element preset, you'll see that the solid button preset is nested inside of it. The border preset is nested inside of that. And if I ever want to change that rounded style, I only have to do it once. And then the button preset gets updated and this call to action preset gets updated as well. These nested option presets become even more powerful when you consider composable settings. which is a feature we released a couple weeks ago, allowing you to enable any of Divi's option groups for any module sub-element. So for example, let's say I wanted to add some visual separation between this body text and the title text. Well, I can go into the blurb and then the body text option group and enable any of Divi's different options. So I can enable background, spacing, and border. And then I can come in and start customizing those aspects of this sub-element. So I can give it a black background, and then we'll make the text white. And we'll add some padding. And then since I enabled the border sub-option group, I can now use that border preset. And once again, I'll apply this rounded border preset, which is just so cool because now these option presets can be used anywhere. So that's a basic overview of this new feature. It really is a substantial upgrade to Divi's preset system. I'd love to know what you think, so drop a comment and share your thoughts. Additionally, if you have made it this far, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. It's the best way to get up to speed every time we release a new feature. I always do a long form tutorial like this, so if you are using Divi professionally, you really don't want to miss these videos. So please subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another feature announcement, which I promise is coming soon.